Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Toyota Tundra with Rough Country's 3.5-inch lift featuring our M1 monotube shocks. Now both front and rear shocks on this kit are monotube. They're a 2-inch extruded housing with a zinc coating. They feature digressive valving with independent compression and rebound. But while the rears are a standalone shock, the fronts on this kit are a coilover with a coil specific for this vehicle. This kit also features our aluminum upper control arms to make sure that factory geometry and ride is retained. Now all of that works together to get this truck up 3.5 inches, and this particular customer has chosen to run a Nitto Trail Grappler in a 295/60/20 on a factory wheel with a wheel spacer. This truck also features our Retract Steps. These are a direct plug and play and simple bolt on. They're going to drop down to where you want them and then tuck up out of the way when you don't need them. So if you want a great looking lift with superior ride quality and performance, check out our M1 monotube shock option, available for most and coming to more of our lift kits every day at roughcountry.com.